All right, play a little game here. Right here. I said, do we have a pellet? Huh? Oh, USSR. Now you better get your stank asses up out of here before I cause a nuke.
We interrupt our normal programming for the incoming broadcast of warning.
This warning has been sent in the request of the Administration of Seismology and Geoscience, reported to the southeast section of Holland. There is an earthquake in the magnitude of 6. The affected areas are Alberwine, Forthgo, Newport, Victor, Lockstown, Gosfolk, Cooksville, and Cullerstone. If you are in one of these areas, do not panic and do the following instructions. If you are indoors, duck, cover, and hold on. Bring enough survival supplies with you such as food, water, and a battery-powered radio. Tune to 940 and 1560 AM to keep yourselves updated. If you are outdoors, avoid tall buildings or falling objects. Find shelter immediately.